Hello everyone. So students, today we are going to start up with a chapter of political parties. So let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss the meaning of the term political party. So what is a political party? A political party is the group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. सिंपल टर्म्स में अगर यहाँ पे देखो तो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी क्या है, जिन्हों इट इज़ द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जिन्होंने क्या किया है, हु हैव कम टुगेदर फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कॉन्टेस्टिंग द इलेक्शंस. They over here agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. The parties which are there, they reflect the fundamental political divisions in a society. That is, the parties, they are about a part of the society, and thus they involve what? They involve potential. So thus over here what is being known, a party is known by which part it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interests it upholds. That is, there are three basic components of a party. What are those three components? The leader of the political party, the active members of that political party, and the followers of that political party. I am once again repeating it. What are the three main components of a political party? That is the leader, active members, and followers. They are the part of the political party. Now let's talk about what is the necessity of the political party. That is, what is the need of political party. So if there was no political party, then each and every candidate which is there, it would be independent. यही तो होता ना कि अगर कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं होती हमारी कंट्री के अंदर तो क्या होता? ईच एंड एवरी कैंडिडेट इट वुड हैव बीन independent. Current strength of Lok Sabha, it is what? That is for how many constituencies at present the elections those are conducted. That is 543 constituencies. Now imagine over here a situation when none of the 543 members can be brought to think alike on a particular issue. इससे क्या होता? सबका अलग अलग व्यूज ओपिनियंस ये होते तो क्या होता? This would lead to a total chaos. So over here an independent candidate would always be more interested in the specific needs of his constituency and would seldom think about the larger interest of the nation. A political party, it is also necessary to bring diverse people on a common platform so that bigger issues can be taken care of. Another necessity over here is, that is, in a democracy, the democracy which is being practiced all over the world is called the representative democracy. In this system, what happens? Governance is done through people's representatives because it is impossible for each citizen to directly participate in the governance. So the need for representative democracy, it has done what? It has given a rise to a political party. So this is why the reason is there the political parties are needed. Other than this, आप इसमें ये भी mention कर सकते हो कि why the political parties are necessary. Reason for that is it involves following functions. So let's talk about what are the various functions which are performed by a political party. So the first function which is performed by a political party is contesting elections. That is, the political parties, they contest election. A political party does what? It nominates its candidate for the electoral contest in various constituencies. Then the political parties, they formulate policies and programs. That is, political parties क्या करती हैं? They put forward different policies and programs so that the voters can choose from them. That is, a political party, it brings a large number of similar opinions under one umbrella. Next after this is another function which is performed by a political party is making laws. That is, political parties, they play a important role, a decisive role in making laws for the country. You may be aware that it is the legislature which passes a law after proper debate. ये तो पता ही है ना कि laws कहाँ पे बनते हैं, who is responsible for that? Legislature, it is responsible for making the laws, and that too it is done after proper debate. As most of the members, they belong to political parties. So a political party, it has a direct say in law making for the country. Next after this is formation of government. So what is this formation of government? That is political parties ये क्या करती हैं, that forms and run the government. It is the executive body over here which is formed by the people from the ruling party. Various political leaders, those are assigned different ministries to carry out the task of the government. हर means क्या है इसका कि जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं या जो भी इलेक्टेड लीडर्स हैं उनको क्या होगा, दे विल बी गिवन डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज, डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स टू रूल ओवर. देन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ क्या करती हैं, द अदर फंक्शन विच इज़ परफॉर्म बाय अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज दैट इज दे प्ले द रोल ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. दैट इज अ पार्टी विच डज नॉट गेट द मेजॉरिटी और कम अंडर द मेजॉरिटी कोएलिशन, वो क्या करता है, इट नीड्स टू प्ले द रोल ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. नेक्स्ट इज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, दे शेप द पब्लिक ओपिनियन. दैट इज द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, दे शेप द पब्लिक ओपिनियन. दे डू सो by raising and highlighting issues in the legislature and in the media. Other than this, the political parties, they are the access to the government machinery and welfare scheme. That is, the parties, they provide people's access to government machinery and welfare schemes. Since it is easy to approach local political party leaders than the government officers. तो ये सारे क्या हैं, these are the various functions being performed by the various political parties. So the first function that we had discussed over here is contest elections. Second one is they formulate the policies and program. Third one, they make laws for our country. Fourth one, formation of our country's government, that is they form and run the government. They play the role of opposition. They are helpful in shaping the public opinion, and they are access to government machinery and welfare schemes. So that's it for today. In our next session, we are going to continue with the same chapter. Thank you.